Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to remove passwords to download apps from App Store on iPhone. So I'm going to my App Store and simply searching for a app, and now I'm going to tapping on get or download, and as you can see, to download the app, here's asking to enter my Apple ID password. So now I will show you how you can stop asking password for downloading apps from App Store. All you have to need, go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down, tap on screen time, and first of all tap on content and privacy restrictions and make sure to enable content and privacy restrictions option. And then tap on iTunes and App Store purchase. And here under require password, you have to select don't require. And then go back from here. Once you are in your iPhone settings home screen, now tap on your Apple ID at the top. And tap on media and purchases. And tap on password settings. And here make sure to disable required password option, and once you successfully turn off required password option, tap on done. And now I'm going to relaunching my App Store and searching for an app to download, and now I'm tapping on. Okay, I forgot another options to change. Go to settings again and then go to Face ID and passcode. Enter here your current passcode, and here under use Face ID for section you will find these iTunes and App Store. Just enable iTunes and App Store here. And now you have to verify your Apple ID. So enter here your Apple ID password and tap on OK. Once done, now go to your App Store and just tap on get to download any app. And as you can see, is asking for verify my Face ID. So all you have to need, tap on your power button 2 times. And once you verified your Face ID, your app will be downloaded without asking your Apple ID password. So after following all of these settings, whenever you try to download any apps on your App Store will be asked to verify your Face ID instead of entering your Apple ID password. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.